Budgets are all about integrating the manufacturing or the operations of a business. The first budget we did was the sales budget, which said how many units we expect to sell. Then we did the production budget to see how many units we were going to need to make. Then we did the materials budget to see how much stuff we needed to have. And now we're going to do the labor budget so that we can determine how much labor we're going to need to do what we said we need. Well, again, if you look at the book, the information tells us that each unit takes 1/2 of an hour or 30 minutes to produce. They gave us that, and they told us that our labor rate was $15 an hour. So apparently the Zigbee company is not all that generous. So we need to take our budgeted production units that we got from our production budget, which, if you remember right, was 19,700 units we were going to be making in April, and we were going to make 19,900 in May and 20,400 in June. And each one of those is going to take 1/2 an hour. So we're going to make this multiplication. And when we do that, we find that we're going to need 9,850 hours for our April production. We're going to need 9,950 hours for our May production. And we're going to need 10,200 hours for our June production. Each hour is going to cost us $15, another multiplication problem. So 15 times 9,850 hours, we're going to need $147,750 for labor in April. We're going to need $149,250 for our labor production for May, and we're going to need $153,000 for labor for June. So again, these are the numbers that we're going to have to give to, I think we said her name was Mary in accounting. She's going to care about those numbers. She has to make sure we have the cash on hand to pay those laborers.